The cost of free. After 1,000s of ad impressions and 15 years of marketing and fulfillment of services and coaching, it is clear that when people don't pay, they don't pay attention. I know that you're reading this because you want to start your business and live a free lifestyle. I got you, but I'm too busy with my own real estate deals to be spending time with people that will never become success stories because they won't pay attention. It's a complete insult to the game. That's why all of my free book campaigns are going up to $5.01 per download. So if you haven't gotten your free copies from www.smartrealestatewholesaling.com and realestatemoneysecrets.com, get them now before the update. Also, yes, there are internal reasons for the update. These are actual marketing campaigns and they must pay for themselves. That's about 50,000 reasons why you have to value a business before it can work for you. Start paying attention. Keep in mind that when you get something for free, you still paid for it by the inverse effect of the amount of attention you pay to actually mastering and implementing the content. Free costs you much more than when you pay. It's just life. I'm hoping that with this enlightenment, getting this for free will not negatively affect you. In fact, I want to apologize for ever making these things accessible for free. It may have slowed down the speed to the result and success that you desire. Now, real quick before I forget, get them now before we knock up the prices. www.smartrealestatewholesaling.com, www.realestatemoneysecrets.com. And if you are interested in personal coaching from me, the price is going up from $997 to $4,997, and the hours of active coaching is being reduced from 7 hours to 3 hours. More information at www.3secretstofirstdeal.com. Bye now.